everyone, I am Dr. J. Suresh Gaud, Associate Professor in Department of Mathematics, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. Today, we are going to discuss the topic problems on Poisson distribution. Before going to discuss the problems on Poisson distribution, first we have to know what is probability distribution. The probability distribution is denoted by f of x comma lambda. For what purpose? To find the probability of number of successes by using the formula e power minus lambda into lambda power x by x factorial. Here we don't know the value of lambda, which is called mean. Right? If you know these values, lambda, x values, we can find out probability of number of successes by using Poisson distribution. Suppose if I take the first problem, 10% tools produced from a factory are to be defective. 10% tools produced from a factory are to be defective out of 10 tools chosen randomly, n equal to 10, because chosen 10 tools randomly. But for every 10% tools produced from a factory are to be defective. So if you assume the success is defective, the probability of success in a single trial is 0.1, which is equal to 10%. If you know P equal to 0.1, Q equal to 0.9, because P plus Q equal to 1. So N you got it, P you got it, Q also we got it. Find the probability of exactly 2 will be defective. That means we need to find out probability of defective. I told you that it is a success. Exactly 2 we should find out. By using which formulas? You can find out this problem by using binomial distribution. Similarly, Poisson distribution. What is the binomial distribution formula? NCX, P power X, Q power N minus X. N equal to 10 C2 because X equal to 2. P is 0.1 whole power X 2 and 0.9 whole power N minus X 8. Simplify, we'll get probability of exactly 2 will be defective by using binomial distribution. But the same question, we can do it by Poisson distribution. What is the Poisson distribution formula? To find probability of x equal to e power minus lambda into lambda power x by x factorial. But the values are given NPQ only. How do you find lambda? We know that lambda equal to NP. N how much? 10. P how much? 1 by 10, 0.1, which is nothing but lambda equal to 1. You can substitute e power minus 1, 1 power x. X means 2 by 2 factorial. If we simplify, we'll get 0.1839. Remember that while you are doing the problems on Poisson distribution, we need to find out lambda, where lambda is mean of the Poisson distribution. By using N into P or average, we can find out lambda value, right? Suppose if you go to another problem on Poisson distribution, if the probability that P of an individual suffers a bad reaction due to certain injection, 0.0001. P is given directly 0.001. Determine the probability. We need to find out probability that out of 2000 individuals, N equal to 2000, exactly 3, X equal to 3, we need to find. First sub question. Second sub, at least 2. X greater than or equal to 2, we should find out. But in Poisson distribution formula, lambda value is required. Lambda equal to NP. N is given 2000, P is given 0.001. So lambda we can get 2. So to find P of x equal to 3, e power minus lambda, where lambda equal to 2, lambda power x 3 by 3 factorial. 0.18. Now the second sub question, probability of x greater than or equal to 2 means starts from 2 to up to 2000, because total number of events are 2000 a year. 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to 2000. But we know that 0 to 2000 is 1. So we can subtract from here 1 to 1 minus of this one equal to 2 to 2000 we can calculate now. That's why 1 minus P of x equal to 0 plus P of x equal to 1. This is equal to P of x greater than or equal to 2. 1 minus P of x equal to 0 e power minus 2 where lambda equal to 2, 2 power 0 by 0 factorial plus e power minus 2, 2 power 1 by 1 factorial. To simplify, we'll get 0.59. Okay. Now, third problem. A car hired from the company out of 2 cars. N equal to 2. Car hire company is there with the capacity of 2 cars. The number of demands for a car on each day is distributed as a Poisson variate with the mean. Directly lambda value is given 1.5. The number of demands for a car on each day is distributed as a Poisson variate with the mean 1.5. Poisson variate, mean. Poisson distribution, mean is denoted by lambda. What we are going to find out, find the probability of no car is used, P of x equal to 0. And some demand is refused, that means P of x. When you are going to refuse the demand, actually in your car garage, we have 2 cars. But when the demand you are going to refuse, if you get more demand, more than 2 cars, if you have demand more than 2 cars, then only the demand is refused. So we can find out P of x greater than or equal to 2 because the capacity of the car garage is only 2 cars. So if your demand is more than 2 cars, we can refuse. So P of x greater than or equal to 2 also we need to find out. Given that lambda equal to 1.5, so by using Poisson distribution formula, we need to find out P of x equal to 0. So lambda value we know that where x small x is 0, if you simplify it, we'll get 0.2231. So P of x greater than or equal to 2 also. So x greater than 2. 1 minus P of x less than or equal to 2. That means 0.12. If you simplify, we'll get 0.1911. Now coming to the fourth problem, the probability of a Poisson variate is 3 and 4 are equal. That means probability of Poisson variate 3 and probability of Poisson variate 4 are equal. This condition is given. Find the probability of Poisson variate is taking the values 0 and 2. So that means we can find out P of x equal to 0 and P of x equal to 2 by using this relation. From this we can find out lambda value. See, P of x equal to 3 means e power minus lambda, lambda cube by 3 factorial equal to e power minus lambda, lambda power 4 by 4 factorial. E power minus lambda cancel. Lambda cube cancel. Lambda cube, one more lambda in the right side. 4 factorial by 3 factorial, lambda equal to 4. So after getting lambda equal to 4, we can find out P of x equal to 0 and P of x equal to 2. Where lambda equal to 4. E power minus lambda, lambda power 0 by 0 factorial. Similarly, P of x equal to 2 also we can find out because we know the lambda value equal to 4. Now, the probability of, next problem, the probability of no misprint in a page of book is e power minus 4. The probability of no misprint, where x is a misprint if you assume, probability of no misprint in a page of book is e power minus 4. Now what we need to find out, find the probability that the page of book contains exactly 2 misprints. That means P of x equal to 2. And more than 2 misprints, that means we can find out P of x greater than 2. According to the condition P of x equal to 0 equal to e power minus 4, we can calculate the lambda value. By equating the coefficients on both sides, we will get lambda equal to 4. See, e power minus lambda equal to e power minus 4 because lambda power 0 is 1, 0 factorial is 1. So lambda equal to 4. Okay. After getting lambda equal to 4, we can find out the probability of exactly 2 misprints and greater than 2 prints by substituting lambda equal to 4. Now, here, next problem, a manufacturer knows that the condensers that he may contains 1% defective. Directly P is given 0.001 0.01. It is nothing but 1%. If packs them in boxes of 100, the size of is given n equal to 100. What is the probability that a box picked at random will contain 3 or more faulty condensers? The faulty means defective you can assume as the success. P of x greater than or equal to 3 you should find out by using the Poisson distribution. But lambda value we require. We know n and p. N into p you do it 100 into 0.01 which is 1. Lambda equal to 1. If you know lambda equal to 1, we can find out probability value. Probability of x greater than or equal to 3 means 1 minus p of x less than 3. Greater than or equal to 3 means starts from 3 to 100. But 3 to 100 it is very difficult. That's why 1 to 100, sorry, 0 to 100 equal to 1. So we can subtract from there 1 minus of from 0 to 2. So 1 minus of, and we know that lambda value 1. E power minus lambda, lambda power 0 by 0 factorial where lambda equal to 1. In P of x equal to 1, here whole power 1. In P of x equal to 2, whole power 2. Simplify it, we'll get 0.1911. And another problem, the average number of phone calls per minute coming into a switchboard between 2 to 4 p.m. is 2.5. The average number of phone calls, directly this value is given, average lambda. Determine the probability that during one particular minute, probability of 4 or fewer calls, less than call, 4 or less than 4 calls. That means P of x less than or equal to 4. And we need to find out more than 6 calls, P of x greater than 6. X less than or equal to 4 means starts from 0 to 4, where lambda value directly given 2.5. To substitute in the formula, we can get 0.8911. X greater than 6 means starts from 7 to, we don't know up to how many maximum. That's why we can take reverse side, 1 minus of 0 to 6. 1 minus of 0 to 6. Substitute in the formula, we'll get 0.0142. So like this, we need to solve the problems on Poisson distribution if you know the lambda value, where lambda is nothing but average or mean or NP. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.